Assalamu alaikum, sir. So, from the SAP project from phase A, I have MAR as my part. In this module, we have used a sub-circuit for MAR. The MI is an enable pin and the MAR is enabled or disabled based on this pin. This pin decides whether the MAR will be taking inputs from the data bus or not. Then there are three input pins called M0, M1 and M2 for taking 3-bit data input from the data bus, and the outputs from for passing over the data to the address selector are MA0, MA1 and MA2. The 3-bit data that indicates the address location are registered and shifted, which is controlled by the 3D flip-flops used in the main circuit design. As we proceed to the next module, we have the input unit, which is nothing but the assembly of address input pins. This part includes the read or write option, which is controlled by the run or program pins. We can input data by writing in the program state, and we can read from the RAM if the run state is enabled. In case of writing program, we can use the 6 input pins I0 to I5 that remains connected to the RAM. In case of reading from RAM, we can access any data from a specified address location through the 3 address pins right here. Then lastly, I have the instruction register as my part, and in the sub-circuit of this module we have 6-bit input pins, and those are connected to the bus. Bus 0 to bus 5 are the input pins, and the I/O and II pins are for controlling the input and output from the instruction register, and the I/O pin is for passing over the stored bits, and II is to take inputs from the data bus. When the I/O pin is enabled, the 6-bit data gets divided into two parts, which are the upper nibble and the lower nibble, and the output pins are B0, B1 and B2, which passes the 3-bit data, which is the lower nibble that indicates the address part, to the RAM through the MAR. The upper nibble is passed to the controller sequencer. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.